Okay, after you've planned everything out, at that point, what you guys really want to make sure you have is a promo kit, a promotions tool that you can send out to prospective clients, which would be your venues that you're going to go to. So the main things you'll have to have, obviously, recording of what you guys do on CD. A performance would be even better on a DVD or something like that. Also, a buzz sheet, an introduction or a bio to who you guys are. Even some bills that you've been on with other bands, other climbing bands or bands that are have toured regionally with you. You want to put it into a nice folder or a nice jacket and be able to send them off. What I've done in the past is have an actual DVD case that contains all of my information. So it's all in one case with a nice cover and a CD on the inside, and I mail that out. Just being kind of creative in how you get those things to the people, because they see demo stuff all the time. Another really good way to get your stuff out there is using things like Sonic Bids, creating a electronic press kit to send out to venues. Venues are taking a lot of these things now, but most venues still want the old-fashioned press kit that you send them with all your information in a hard copy. Sonic Bids is really cool because you do it all online, and you can send it, you can email it to them. They have all your information right there, even video and things like that. So it's pretty cool. Check it out.